Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure you have admin privileges in the group. This lets you add and configure bots. Next, find it QuizBot in Telegram and open its profile so you can interact. Once done, tap Add to Group and select the group where you want quizzes. This immediately links the bot to your space. Make sure notifications are allowed so you see setup messages from the bot and continue to the bot's private chat to create your first quiz. You now create the quiz by messaging the bot with /newquiz. Follow prompts to enter a title and the first question. For each question, add answer options and mark the correct one, then set a time limit to control pacing. Make sure to enable or disable anonymity and option shuffling according to your goals, because those settings change behavior in group. Once done, review scoring and visibility choices, and save the quiz. You're ready to publish. Use the bot's publish option to post the quiz directly into your group so members can start answering. While it runs, monitor responses and use share results to post winner info or corrections. This helps engagement and learning. If the quiz won't post, first check the bot still has admin rights and re-add it if necessary. If problems persist, restart the bot chat and reauthorize. That usually fixes permission or connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.